Welcome to our tutorial on setting up maximum unique and total clicks for your links. Are you interested in controlling the number of clicks your link receives? In this video, we'll walk you through the process of configuring maximum unique and total clicks to manage your link's performance effectively. To get started, when creating a new link or editing an existing one, click on Show Advanced Settings and scroll down to Max UCL Clicks or Max TCL Clicks. Here, you can set the maximum number of unique clicks or total clicks that your link can receive. Once the specified threshold is reached, any additional clicks will be directed to the backup URL you've entered previously. UCL stands for unique clicks, and TCL stands for total clicks. Please note that you can only select one of these conditions. This feature allows you to maintain control over your link's performance and ensure that it doesn't receive more clicks than desired. Unlock the power of maximum click control and optimize your link strategy today. Let's dive in and maximize your link's effectiveness.